Insert and organize the video. Select text box. Change font and increase size to 200. Arrange text. This merge image icon may not be accessible on your machine. To obtain it, first let me delete it by right-clicking on the icon and selecting Remove from Quick Access toolbar. Now select More command from the last icon. Select all commands from the drop-down menu. Then look for Merge Image. Click Add and then OK. Select background video and text at the same time. Simply holding down the Control key. Click the Merge Image icon, then Insert. Insert another video in the background now. Organize and send backward. Go to the Animation tab and then to the Animation panel. Click Add Animation. Choose More Emphasis Effects. Choose the Grow Shrink Motion. OK. Start animation with previous. Then extend the length to around 4 seconds. Do the same for others. OK, not working. And then select the Playback tab. Automatically choose Loop until stop.